Welcome to DelftStack. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix VALORANT Error Code 5 in a simple way. First, open the search menu and go to the control panel on your computer. Inside Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program and look for Riot Vanguard. Right-click on Riot Vanguard and choose Uninstall, then confirm by clicking Yes. After that, close Control Panel and open the Riot Client from your desktop. In the client, find the Update option and reinstall Vanguard again. Once installation is complete, restart your computer to apply changes. After restarting, check VALORANT to see if Error Code 5 is fixed. If the issue still appears, repeat the steps carefully or check your internet connection. Also, make sure Windows is updated and you are logged in with administrator access. This helps fix missing or corrupted Vanguard files causing the Error Code 5. Thanks for watching.